China's president like you've never seen him before. After avoiding the limelight for weeks, some say to avoid blame if the crisis worsens, he's now masked up and proclaiming China will beat the virus. But his highly stage-managed visit to a hospital and a neighbourhood in Beijing was more than 1,000 kilometres from the epicentre Wuhan, where the outbreak is only getting worse. The largest daily jump in the death toll for Hubei province was recorded, more than 100 new deaths. In Hong Kong, authorities evacuated an apartment building after 2 residents on separate floors fell ill with the virus.
Hong Kong needs the full cooperation and active participation of every member of society.
Anxiety in the international transit hub is running high, and the local government says those made to self-isolate after arriving from the mainland may be tracked.
By calling them up and also by random spot checks.
Back home, the government has moved to address rising accounts of racism against Chinese people.
We are very concerned, HPPC is very concerned about xenophobia and any sort of racial profiling which is completely abhorrent.
This is a very significant challenge, and the Chinese Australian community has risen to that challenge. They deserve our great appreciation and support.
Any racist language or behaviour must not be tolerated, and it must be called out.
The World Health Organization has continually poured praise on China for the measures taken here to contain the outbreak. The vast majority of cases have been confined to that province, Hubei, but it's still been devastating here. And the WHO warns it will get a lot worse if the virus takes hold in countries with much weaker health systems.